Welcome to Bunky's Kitchen. In today's video, we'll learn how to make heavy cream. I rarely ever see it in my local grocery stores, so I learned how to make it on my own with only 2 ingredients, and it works perfect. Start out by melting 2/3 of a cup of unsalted butter. When your butter's all melted up, add about 2 tablespoons to 2 cups of milk and whisk it together really well. Then slowly pour your milk back into the pan with your melted butter. Set your stove on a medium-low heat and keep the milk and butter moving as it warms up. Don't let the milk come to a boil. Just keep stirring until you start to see a little bit of steam, then you can remove it from the heat. Next, pour your milk and butter mixture into a blender and blend for about 5 minutes. Now that doesn't seem that long, but standing beside a blender for 5 minutes while it's running steady will drive you insane. Once that's done, you can let it cool to room temperature, or you can store in your refrigerator for about 1 week before it goes bad. This heavy cream is perfect for soups and stews or any recipes really, but not really made for desserts. It will not whip up. I spent way too much time finding out the hard way. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. I post weekly videos of recipes and helpful kitchen tips. Thank you for watching.